Steaming your face with green tea. Step 9. Pour boiling water into a heat-proof bowl at your table. Heat a pot of water over high heat until bubbles are rippling across the surface. Then, remove the water from the heat and pour it into a heat-proof bowl. Use a towel or pot holders to place the bowl on a table in front of a chair. Be careful with the hot water because you can burn yourself. Step 10. Cut open a green tea bag and pour the leaves into the boiling water. Use a pair of scissors to open the tea bag or rip it with your fingers. Then, sprinkle the tea leaves over the water. They will begin to steep immediately. Use all of the tea leaves for best results. Tip: if you prefer, it's okay to just dip the tea bag into the water. This will be easier to clean up but may not work as well since the green tea won't be spread evenly around the bowl. Step 11. Let the green tea steep for 1 to 2 minutes before you steam your face. The green tea will continue to steep as you do the steam. However, it's best to give it about 1 to 2 minutes so that you can get the benefits of the green tea at the beginning of your steam. Plus, this gives your water time to cool a bit so you won't scald your skin. Watch a clock or use a timer as you wait. You should see the water changing colors as the tea releases its properties into it. Step 12. Drape a towel over your head and lean over the bowl. Place a large bath towel over the back of your head and your shoulders. Then, lean over the bowl so that your face is directly over the steam. The towel will trap the steam around your face so that it can treat your skin. Make sure the towel is surrounding the bowl on all sides to fully trap the steam. If you get too hot, lift the towel to release some of the steam. Step 13. Steam your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Hold your face over the bowl for up to 10 minutes. Breathe in deeply and try to relax to create a spa experience. This gives the steam time to penetrate your skin and remove impurities. If you start feeling hot, it's okay to stop the treatment early. It's best to set a time for 5 to 10 minutes so that you know exactly how long you've been steaming your face. Step 14. Rinse your face with cool water to remove impurities. After your steam, go to the sink and turn on the cold water. Then, splash the cool water over your face to remove any sweat and impurities that the steam treatment drew out. If you like, you can wash your face with a creamy cleanser as well. However, this isn't necessary. Step 15. Pat your face dry with a soft, clean towel. Use the bath towel or a hand towel to lightly blot your face dry. Then, you can continue with your normal facial care routine. Repeat this treatment as often as once a week. For more details, read the description below. Click the subscribe button to get more tips like this.